Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
Typically, it will take the body time to balance the microbiome to healthy, diverse bacteria levels. In fact, research shows that it takes about 6 months to recover from the damage done by antibiotics.
Make your mark, take our lead.
The use of antibiotics has long been linked to deprivation of gut bacteria. Now, a new study shows that the composition and function of gut bacteria can recover after antibiotic treatment in healthy people. But after 6 months, the gut still lack 9 common beneficial bacterial species.
Make your mark, take our lead.
How can I help my gut bacteria to recover after antibiotics? Take probiotics. The clinical evidence for the benefits of taking probiotics during and after antibiotic use is confusing. Make the most of prebiotics. Eat like a hunter-gatherer. Reduce stress. Exercise.
Let's help you make your mark.
Summary. Researchers found that antibiotics actually kill the good bacteria, keeping infection and inflammation at bay. New research shows that the body's own microbes are effective in maintaining immune cells and killing certain oral infections.
Take our lead.
By drugs.com, it usually takes around 5.5x elimination half-life, hours, before a drug is completely cleared from your system. So if we take the maximum elimination half-life of 22 hours, it would take 121 hours, 5.5 by 22 hours. Approximately 5 days before the medicine is eliminated from your system.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.